can already tell it's gonna make me dizzy. Fuck! I wanna go potty. Man. Yeah! Alright, guys, don't look. I gotta take a fat shit. I'm just kidding. You dick! Let me in! Oh! I wasn't expecting it to actually open. Long hand and handsome. Ew, children? Where are your parents? Why are you looking at me? Ew, why are you looking at me? This kid's gonna kill me. What up, cuh? What up, cuh? Square up, cuh. Square up. What up, cuh? What's up with her? Square up. Square up. Square up. Come on, cuh. Square up. Fuck you. Stay there, bitch. You got anything to say to me? Ah! Bye, ho. Oh! Oh my god, that scared me. I scared myself. I guess it's easier because there's not much... Oop! Oh! Oh! Is that an anomaly or what? Listen. Ah! Oh, nope. Did you see that cat? Did you see that cat? Jeez, Louisa. See, that's why you always check. That's why you gotta learn your posters, ding-dongs. What the fuck? Ooh. Ah! Ah! Let me run! Let me run! Let me run! Let me run! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let me run! Let me run! Let me run! Let me out! Ah! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
Please excuse the delay.
Let me out! Fuck you! Stop due to injury. What the fuck? Go away. Fuck you. Ah! Honestly, I hope the ghost just gets me, because this shit is weird. Some bitch on a computer, blue screen. What are you typing, bitch? Do you even know? What are you even typing? But if there's no anomaly, you go forward? I don't think that that's normal. How am I supposed to know what's an anomaly and what's not? There's gotta be an anomaly, right? His eye's glowing. His eye is glowing. Can I talk to you, bitch? Why are your eyes glowing? Are you gonna be the one that gets me? Alright, Skrillex, if you get me, you get me, I guess. I guess I'll find out. I'm stuck. I don't know how to get out.
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
If it's not anomalous, I'm supposed to turn around? I'm confused. Do I just keep going no matter what, essentially? I don't know how to do this anymore. Oh, I messed up. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to go past. He's in 4 and everything is normal, right? It's all normal. It's all normal. I don't. I'm not going in there. I'm not going in there. I'm just gonna close my eyes. Just come kill me then. Just come kill me then. Just do it. Eyes are glowing. Demon. There's no anomaly. Fuck you. But there wasn't an anomaly. Did he have tree legs? No, I don't want to. I know. 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 It's dark. Ooh. Ooh. Ah! I can't see. It started me over? Fuck this game. Alright, I'm done. Nope.